Physically logging campus refrigeration temperatures is inefficient and unreliable, especially over long weekends and holiday breaks. Swift Sensors automates temperature monitoring procedures by combining easy-to-deploy wireless sensors with powerful analytics, instant mobile alerts, and detailed reports. Swift Sensors are compact, lightweight, and wireless. Connect to the cloud with the push of a button and immediately begin to view real-time analytics on any device. Receive instant alerts via SMS, email, or voice, and take immediate action if temperatures deviate or if equipment fails. Generate daily logs and reports to satisfy regulatory requirements and audits. Reduce financial risk, increase efficiency, maintain compliance, and support student health. Automate refrigeration monitoring with Swift Sensors' modern temperature compliance solution.